First, take your torch, go back and forth on the board, making sure to get the full surface area that you're going for. Don't stay over one spot too long. Just make sure you get everything nice and black. Next up, I'm going to take the sander and actually sand it back. It'll actually give some depth to the burn so it doesn't look too fake. It'll look a little more natural this way. Then take a nice clear coat with a thick brush. This is a satin clear coat polyurethane. Go right over it, and the finished result is going to be something like this. Let me know what you think.